Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are doing Surah Baqarah Ayah number 96. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولتجدنهم أحرص الناس على حياة ومن الذين أشركوا يود أحدهم لو يعمر 1000 سنة وما هو بمزحزحه من العذاب أن يعمر والله بصير بما يعملون ولتجدنهم wow, circle your lips for wow. To pronounce wow, you have to circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Lam is short. Wow is short. Lam is short. Wala ta short ta is short. Wala ta jim is short too. And for kasra, give e sound. Proper e sound in every kasra. G. Wala ta ji ji. Then dal for fatha, open jaws, and for noon, give gunna. Two haraka gunna here because whenever there is noon or meme with tashdid, you will give two haraka gunna. So you are keeping the sound in your nose. Tajidanna. Na is short. Hum. Circle your lips for dhamma and give tawassut on meme because this meme is part of Lin Umar, and Lin Umar, whenever Lin Umar gets the sukoon, it gives tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. You cannot stop meme abruptly, but you will give the sound a medium flow. Hum, ah, Hamza is very strong letter. For fatha, open your jaws. And for ha, give hums. It's just like cleaning your glass. How you clean your glass, you give a sound. If you put your hand in front of your mouth, you should feel the steam. Yes, you should feel the breath coming out of your um, mouth. Ra is short and heavy. Whenever ra gets fatha or dhamma, it is heavy, and the heavy sound is raw. 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 It's not ra. Ra. It's not ra. It's raw. Raw. Swan. Sa is heavy. Why sad is heavy? Because it is part of these 7 letters. Khussa, ضغط, قض. So we are making sad heavy. Sun and hold noon. Why we are holding? Because meme and noon whenever get tashdid, it gets gunna, and gunna 2 haraka long gunna. What is gunna? Gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. Swanna. Na is 2 counts long two. Why? Because alif sakina qablaha maftu. You will find alif sakina, and before alif there is fatha. Look, there is alif and there is fatha before it. Na, si. For kasra, every kasra give e sound and it is short. Si, ain from your throat very clearly. La, 2 counts long because standing fatha gets 2 counts long. La, ha, short. Ya is very soft letter. Make it 2 haraka long because it is with standing fatha. Haya, for kasra, give e sound first. Don't drop kasra sound if it is attached with other letter. Even if it's attached or if even it's alone, give e sound first. T, and then add wow sound. Because the sound of the mean is merged into wow. And circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa. For fatha, I'm here. I'm opening my jaws. Wa, me is short. Nalla, Noon is attached with lam, and lam has fatha. La, the 2 counts long. Na, short. Ash, Hamza is very strong letter. When she has the first she, the sound will be spread. Ash, ra, ra is short and heavy. Why? Because it has fatha. Ra, ku, 2 counts long. Why? Because waw sakina qablaha madmum. So wow, there is waw sakin, and you find dhamma, so you will keep it 2 haraka long. Ashraku, yeah, very soft letter. There is no room of j sound in Arabia. In Quran, there is no y sound. It's very soft sound. It is actually mixed up with strong ya sound, but it's very light. In Arabic, it's very soft letter. Yeah, yeah, very soft. You just barely touch, or you are not even touching the upper palate and just coming back. Yeah, what? Circle your lips for wow, and you are attaching waw with dal very strongly, and there is the ma on dal, and you will circle your lips very well. Yeah, what do? Yeah, what do? A, short and very strong sound, because hamza is a shadid letter. A, ha, a, ha, both are short. Do, 3 of them are short, and for dhamma, circle your lips very well. Do, hum, circle your lips well. For meme, give the wasut, because this is part of lin umar, and whenever lin umar gets sukoon, it has the wasut. Hum, lau, harflin, these are 2 haraka long, and for fatha, circle, open your jaws, and for wow, give very soft touch. Low, you is very soft letter, and for dhamma, circle your lips. You, ain from your throat very clearly. And you're giving gunna. Gunna is keeping your sound in your nose, and that is 2 haraka long here. This is called gunna when you are giving pause, hold on me. And then fatha is a separate story. Ma, you ma, uru, ra is heavy. Why? Because whenever ra it has fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. Uru, al, hamza is very strong letter. Lam has the wasut, medium flow of sound, because lin amar, whenever lin amar gets the sakoon, it gets medium flow of sound. Al, fa is short, sa short. Sin has the very very whistly sound. Sa, na, tiong. There is kasra. Give e sound first. E sound first, and then attach with wow. Tiong. And circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, ma, 2 counts long. Hu, circle your lips well. Wa, short. B, short. And give e sound for kasra. Mim for dhamma. Circle your lips. B, mu, zah. Za is very whistly sound, and ha has hums, and it has rakhawa, and it is when you will put your hand in front of your um, mouth, you should feel the breath coming out of your mouth. Zah, zi, he, bimu, zah, zi, he. Now these 2 ha's are very different, so keep them different. It's he, me. Meme is short, and for kasra e sound. Null, give the wasan on lam. Ain from your throat very clear. The 2 counts long. B short. Adabi, ain. Keep your sound in your nose. Yes, idgham is gunna too. Ayu. Yeah, and there's the on, and ra and lam will not be idgham with gunna, only the rest of them. Ay, you is for dhamma, circle your lips. A, you, ain is attached with meme, and you can see the tashdid on top of meme. Whenever meme and noon gets tashdid, you give them gunna, and you are keeping the sound in your nose for 2 haraka long, and that is called gunna. You ma is short, and if you will giving this sukoon here, you will give tawassut too. You Wallahu. Circle your lips well. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with lam. It is getting heavy. Why? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's names, whenever it gets fatha before it, it is heavy. Wallah. The heavy sound of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is law. Wallahu, who is short, ba short. Sli, two comes long, because ya sakina qablaha maksur. Ya sakina, there is kasra before it, so you will make it 2 haraka long. Basirum iqlab. They whenever you will find ba after tanween, you will change the sound of tanween into meen. Basirum bi is short, ma two comes long. Yeah, yeah is very soft letter. Yeah, and Ain gets the wasud, medium flow of sound. Yeah, ma is short. Loon, mad added lissakun. Whenever you will give temporary sakun because of waqf, because of to stop this ayah, you will give temporary sakun, and if you will find the mad letter, and that is waw sakina qablaha madmum, you will stretch it 246. يعملون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.